30 gorgeous cottage garden flowers to plant for a charming landscape. Cottage gardens have a special, timeless charm that brings a sense of warmth and nostalgia to any outdoor space. Known for their abundance of colorful blooms, fragrant flowers, and often informal design, cottage gardens are a perfect blend of beauty and practicality. Whether you're designing a new garden or enhancing your existing space, these 30 gorgeous flowers will transform your garden into a peaceful and inviting haven. We'll explore flowers that thrive in a variety of growing conditions, offering tips for planting, caring for, and enjoying these floral beauties. Some flowers bloom in the early spring, while others bloom all summer long. Let's dive into this list of 30 perennial favorites that will give your garden a picturesque, cottage-like feel.
1. Lavender, Lavandula sep.
Lavender is a quintessential cottage garden flower. Known for its calming fragrance and stunning purple blooms, lavender is not only visually appealing, but also has many uses in aromatherapy and cooking. Lavender adds a touch of elegance to any garden. It thrives in sunny spots, producing dense spikes of flowers and aromatic leaves. Lavender prefers full sun and well-drained soil. Avoid overwatering, as it is drought-tolerant once established. Prune after flowering to maintain shape and encourage new growth. 2. Roses, Rosa sep. Roses are often considered the epitome of romantic garden flowers. With a variety of species and colors to choose from, roses can be used as a focal point in any cottage garden. Roses offer a wide range of colors, from deep red to soft pastels, and their fragrance is one of the most captivating in the floral world. Plant roses in full sun with well-drained soil. Regular watering and occasional feeding with organic fertilizer will ensure continuous blooms. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooms and prevent disease. 3. Peonies, Peonia sp. Peonies are loved for their large, fragrant blooms that come in a variety of colors. They are perfect for adding a lush, romantic vibe to your cottage garden. Peonies are long-lived perennials that bloom once a year in late spring or early summer. Their blooms are large and showy, often fragrant, and can last for days. Peonies thrive in full sun but also tolerate partial shade. They need well-drained soil and should be watered regularly, especially during dry spells. Support the flowers with stakes to prevent them from drooping. 4. Delphiniums, Delphiniums sep. Delphiniums are tall, stately plants with spiky blooms in shades of blue, pink, and purple. They add vertical interest and a pop of color to cottage gardens. Delphiniums stand out with their striking, tall flower spikes, often reaching up to 6 feet. These flowers are perfect for adding a dramatic touch to your garden.
Plant in full sun with well-drained soil.
Delphiniums thrive in moist, fertile ground, but should be protected from wind, as their tall stems can be easily damaged. Deadhead to encourage more flowers. 5. Hollyhocks, Alsia rosea. Hollyhocks are tall, stately flowers that are often found in cottage gardens. Their vibrant, cup-shaped blooms are a sure way to brighten up any outdoor space. With their towering height and colorful blossoms, hollyhocks create a bold statement in the garden. They come in various colors, from pastel shades to bold, striking hues. Hollyhocks prefer full sun and well-drained soil. They need a little extra space to grow, as their tall stems can reach up to 8 feet in height. Support them with stakes to avoid wind damage. 6. Coneflower, Echinacea purpurea. Coneflowers are hardy, drought-tolerant flowers that are perfect for cottage gardens. They are available in a variety of colors, from pink to orange to white. Coneflowers attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, making them a great choice for wildlife gardens. Their daisy-like blooms are striking and will brighten up any garden. These flowers thrive in full sun and can tolerate dry conditions. They grow best in well-drained soil and need only occasional watering. Cutting back the flowers after blooming can promote a second flush of blooms. 7. Foxglove, Digitalis purpurea. Foxglove is a classic cottage garden plant known for its tall spikes of tubular flowers in shades of purple, pink, and white. Foxglove adds height and drama to your garden with its striking flower spikes. It's a great plant for creating vertical interest in borders. Foxglove thrives in partial to full shade and moist, well-drained soil. It is a biennial or short-lived perennial, meaning it will bloom in its second year and then often self-seed. 8. Sweet peas, Lathyrus odoratus. Sweet peas are known for their beautiful fragrance and delicate, colorful blooms. These climbing plants are perfect for adding height to your garden and attracting pollinators. Sweet peas are a gardener's favorite because of their sweet fragrance and vibrant colors. They make excellent cut flowers. Plant sweet peas in full sun and provide support like a trellis or fence. Water deeply and regularly, but avoid waterlogging. 9. Daylilies, Hemercalis sap. Daylilies are incredibly easy to grow and offer a wide range of colors and forms. Each individual bloom lasts only a day, but new flowers continue to appear, providing months of color. Daylilies are low-maintenance plants that produce an abundance of colorful flowers. They are perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Daylilies prefer full sun and well-drained soil. They are drought-tolerant once established and should be divided every few years to maintain healthy growth. 10. Lupines, Lupinus sap. Lupines are known for their tall, spiky flower clusters in shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. Their vertical growth adds elegance to any garden. Lupines are striking plants that attract bees and butterflies with their vibrant flowers. Their tall flower spikes provide instant visual appeal in the garden. These flowers thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Lupines are relatively low maintenance but may require staking to prevent them from falling over in the wind. 11. Bleeding Heart, Dicentra spectabilis. With its heart-shaped flowers, Bleeding Heart adds a romantic touch to your garden. It's a shade-loving plant that thrives in cool, moist conditions. Bleeding heart flowers are unique and offer a soft, whimsical touch to the garden. They're especially beautiful in the spring, when they bloom profusely. Bleeding hearts prefer partial to full shade and rich, well-drained soil. Water regularly to keep the soil moist and mulch to retain moisture during dry spells.
12. Columbine, Aquilegia sap.
Columbine is a beautiful, airy plant with spurred flowers that come in a wide range of colors, including red, purple, blue, and yellow. Columbines have delicate, unique flowers that attract hummingbirds and butterflies, making them a great choice for wildlife gardens. Columbines thrive in partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. They require little care and will self-seed, ensuring a continued presence in your garden. 13. Gaillardia aristata, known as blanket flower. Gaillardia produces daisy-like flowers in fiery shades of red, orange, and yellow. It's a drought-tolerant, easy-to-care-for plant that thrives in sunny conditions. The bold, warm colors of Gaillardia add a cheerful touch to any garden. Its long-lasting blooms attract bees and butterflies, making it a great addition to wildlife gardens. Gaillardia thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Once established, it's drought-tolerant, requiring minimal care. Prune back spent flowers to encourage more blooms. 14. Climbing roses, Rosa sap. Climbing roses are perfect for covering trellises, arbors, and fences. They offer a vertical element and produce blooms in a range of beautiful colors. These roses are versatile, offering cascading blooms throughout the summer. They provide both beauty and fragrance. Plant in full sun and well-drained soil. Regular pruning helps keep the plants healthy and encourages vigorous blooming. Water consistently during dry periods. 15. Jasmine, Jasmine sp. Jasmine is famous for its intoxicating fragrance and delicate, star-shaped flowers. It's an essential component of many cottage gardens, particularly those that aim to enhance their garden's sensory experience. Jasmine's sweet, powerful fragrance fills the air, making it an ideal plant for sitting areas or near windows. Jasmine thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. While it is relatively easy to grow, jasmine needs regular pruning to prevent it from becoming too unruly. 16. Black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta. Black-eyed Susan is a tough and cheerful perennial that produces bright yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark centers. Black-eyed Susan is a low-maintenance plant that blooms all summer long. It attracts pollinators and adds a sunny pop of color to the garden. These flowers thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They tolerate drought and can be left undisturbed for several years once established. 17. Anemone sep. Anemones, also known as windflowers, have delicate, poppy-like flowers that sway gently in the breeze. These flowers come in a variety of colors, including white, pink, and blue. Anemones add a soft, airy quality to the garden. They are perfect for planting, among other low-growing perennials. Anemones prefer partial shade and well-drained soil. Water regularly and mulch to retain moisture. They self-seed, so be prepared for new plants to pop up in the future. 18. Marigolds, Tagetes spep. Marigolds are hardy annuals that produce bright, tearful blooms in shades of yellow, orange, and red. Marigolds are known for their vibrant color and are often used to create borders and brighten up beds. They are also great companion plants that deter pests in vegetable gardens. Marigolds prefer full sun and well-drained soil. They're easy to grow from seed and will continue to bloom throughout the summer with minimal care. 19. Fuchsias. Fuchsia is a delicate, drooping flower known for its vibrant colors, which range from pink and purple to red and white. These flowers are perfect for hanging baskets and containers. Fuchsia's delicate bell-shaped flowers are perfect for adding a whimsical touch to your garden. They attract hummingbirds and make beautiful hanging displays. Fuchsia thrives in partial shade and needs well-drained, moist soil. Regular watering is important, especially in containers, but ensure the plant doesn't sit in waterlogged soil. 20. Astilbe sep. Astilbes are shade-loving plants that produce feathery, plume-like flowers in colors ranging from white to pink, red, and purple. Astilbes provide texture and color to shady areas, making them perfect for cottage gardens with limited sunlight. Plant impartial to full shade in moist, well-drained soil. Astilbes are fairly low maintenance and will add color to your garden year after year. 21. Salvia sep. Salvias are aromatic plants that produce spiky, tubular flowers in vibrant colors, including red, purple, and blue. Salvia is both beautiful and functional, attracting bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Its long-lasting blooms create a beautiful focal point. Salvia thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. They are relatively drought-tolerant once established, and their blooms can last throughout the summer. 22. Heliopsis helianthoides. Heliopsis, also known as false sunflower, produces bright yellow, daisy-like flowers that add a splash of color to the garden. Heliopsis flowers resemble sunflowers, but they're smaller and easier to grow, making them a great choice for a cottage garden. Heliopsis thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly during dry spells to keep the plants healthy. 23. Coniflower, Echinacea purpurea. Coniflowers are tough, drought-tolerant plants with large, daisy-like flowers that come in shades of purple, pink, and white. Coniflowers attract bees, butterflies, and birds, making them excellent for wildlife gardens. Their long-lasting blooms also add texture and color to the garden.
Plant in full sun and well-drained soil.
They are drought-tolerant once established and require little maintenance, making them perfect for beginner gardeners. 24. Daylilies, Hemerculus sep. Daylilies are known for their vibrant flowers, which come in a wide range of colors, including orange, yellow, pink, and red. Each bloom lasts only one day, but the plant produces multiple blooms throughout the summer. Daylilies are very adaptable and can grow in almost any soil type. They're also deer-resistant and bloom profusely. Daylilies thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. They are very low maintenance and can be left undisturbed for years once established. 25. Campanula sep. Campanulas, also known as bellflowers, have charming, bell-shaped flowers in shades of blue, purple, and white. Their delicate flowers add a soft, romantic touch to gardens. Campanulas are also great for attracting pollinators like bees. Campanulas prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Regular watering is necessary during dry periods, but they don't like sitting in waterlogged soil. 26. Verbena sep. Verbena plants are known for their clusters of small, brightly colored flowers in shades of red, purple, pink, and white. Verbena is a low-maintenance perennial that blooms prolifically all summer long. It attracts butterflies and other pollinators to the garden. Verbena thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. It's drought-tolerant once established, but benefits from regular watering during dry spells. 27. Lavender, lavandulus. Lavender is a fragrant herb that produces spikes of purple or blue flowers. It's widely grown for its aromatic oil and soothing fragrance. Lavender blooms for months, and its fragrance is known for its calming, therapeutic qualities. It attracts pollinators and can be used in cooking and crafts. Lavender prefers full sun and well-drained, slightly alkaline soil. Water it moderately and prune it after blooming to maintain its shape. 28. Coral bells, Huchera spep. Coral bells are shade-loving plants known for their colorful foliage and delicate flower spikes. Their flowers can range from white to pink, red, or purple. Coral bells provide year-round interest, with their vibrant leaves providing color even when the flowers are not in bloom. These plants thrive in partial to full shade and well-drained, slightly acidic soil. They prefer consistently moist conditions but do not tolerate soggy soil. 29.
Phlox paniculata.
Phlox is a hardy perennial that produces clusters of brightly colored flowers in shades of pink, red, purple, and white. Phlox flowers are extremely fragrant, attracting butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. Their vibrant blooms last throughout the summer. Phlox prefers full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Regular deadheading encourages more blooms and keeps the plant looking tidy. 30. Blanket flower, Gilardia sep. Blanket flowers produce vibrant, daisy-like flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Blanket flowers are highly resistant to drought and heat, making them perfect for hot, dry gardens. Their bold colors make a strong visual impact in the garden. Plant in full sun and well-drained soil. Water moderately during dry spells, but avoid overwatering, as they're drought-tolerant once established. With these 30 flowers, you'll have an array of beautiful, long-blooming perennials to choose from for your garden. Whether you're looking to add vibrant colors, attract pollinators, or create a low-maintenance garden, these flowers will brighten up your space throughout the growing season. If you need more details on any of these flowers or care tips for other garden needs, feel free to ask